Topic 1 Reading Practice for Beginners. (1번) 사과가 맛있습니다. 바나나도 맛있습니다. A. 날씨 B. 과일 C. 직업 D. 나이 The correct answer is option B. 과일. Both apples and bananas are fruits, so the correct answer is 과일, which is fruit. 날씨 means weather, 직업 means job, and 나이 means age. 2번 가게에 갑니다. 모자를 삽니다. A. 쇼핑 B. 공부 C. 이름 D. 음식 The correct answer is option A. Shopping. The phrase describes going to the store to buy something, a hat, which is related to shopping. 공부 means study, 이름 means name, 음식 means food. (3번) 7월에는 수업이 없습니다. 학교에 안 갑니다. A. 계절 B. 방학 C. 여행 D. 위치 The correct answer is option B. 방학. The phrase mentions a time when there are no classes, which refers to 방학, that is vacation. 계절 means season, 여행 means travel or trip, 위치 means location. 4번 영화를 빈칸 정말 재미있습니다. A. 봅니다. B. 갑니다. C. 보냅니다. D. 마십니다. The correct answer is option A. 봅니다. The correct verb for watching a movie is 봅니다, which means to watch. 잡니다 means to sleep, 보냅니다 means to send, 마십니다 means to drink. 5번 한국 가수를 좋아합니다. 매일 한국 빈칸을 듣습니다. A. 편지 B. 노래 C. 전화 D. 이야기 The correct answer is option B. 노래. Since the context is about liking a Korean singer, it is logical to listen to 노래, which means songs. 편지 means letter, 전화 means call, 이야기 means story. 6번 저는 선생님입니다. 학교에서 학생들을 빈칸 A. 읽습니다. B. 입습니다. C. 가르칩니다. D. 물어봅니다. The correct answer is option C. 가르칩니다. A teacher teaches student, so the correct verb is 가르칩니다, which means to teach. 읽습니다 means to read. 입습니다 means to wear. 물어봅니다 means to ask. 7번. 저는 요즘 빈칸 시간이 없습니다. A. 작습니다. B. 바쁩니다. C. 무겁습니다. D. 조용합니다. The correct answer is option B. 바쁩니다. The phrase describes being busy, which matches 바쁩니다, which means to be busy. 작습니다 means to be small. 무겁습니다 means to be heavy. 조용합니다 means to be quiet. 8번. 저는 김민수 씨를 모릅니다. 내일 빈칸 만납니다. A. 처음. B. 보통. C. 제일. D. 항상. The correct answer is option A. 처음. Since the speaker does not know Kim Min-soo, they are meeting for the first time, which means 처음. 보통 means often. 제일 means the most. 항상 means always. 9번. 저는 볼펜이 없습니다. 연필 빈칸 있습니다. A. 을. B. 만. C. 도. D. 에게. The correct answer is option B. Man. The speaker mentions that they only have a pencil, so man, which means only, fits this sentence. Al is object particle which comes after a word ending in a consonant. Do means also. Ege is a grammar form for to. 10번. 가방에 책 빈칸 있습니다. A. 이. B. 가. C. 은. D. 는. The correct answer is option A. E. The grammar particle ega are always used with itta and opta. And here E is the correct option because check has a pachim, which is a final consonant, so E is used. Kha is the subject particle which comes after word ending in a vowel. Un is a topic particle which comes after a word ending with a consonant, while none is a topic particle which comes after a word ending with a vowel. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your quiz. Download your free Topic 1 reading questions PDF from the link on the description box below. Check out our Korean language ebooks and workbooks for beginners. Link on the description box below. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, you can try another Korean quiz from our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos.